Mainly in the Pacific Ocean, corals are developed and inhabited. One of the most complex, diverse, and undervalued natural structures of the planet. We are interested in solving this problem because we do not take the importance that we should give. The corals support us indirectly, for example, by providing tourism to coastal cities. However, due to overfishing, uncontrolled tourism, and pollution, these formations have been threatened for years. And according to the Smithsonian Tropical Research Institute, to continue with these actions in a century will not be any. They are also important to avoid erosion of the beaches and to protect us from storm waves during storms and hurricanes.
The solution that we propose to solve this problem, to save the coral reefs, is to form an NGO that has the purpose of saving the marine species, especially the corals. The strategy we plan is to form a group of people as marine biologists who have the extensive knowledge about the species. We plan for marine biologists to work with us, helping us with their tools and knowledge they have. Four, when implementing this solution is to see the corals in a healthy state, to have the healthy oceans and avoid the disappearance of marine species, to avoid the extinction of corals and maintaining a clean and waste-free ocean, as plastic garbage, cans, or other. The change that we hope will be in a long term, in order to see the notorious change we need.
The reason why our NGO should exist is so that the corals continue to exist and have healthy oceans and corals, and likewise have healthy people. That the percentage of extinction of corals goes down, to preserve the greatest number of species as possible, such as fish or other types of marine animals that depend on these habitats to exist.
Many programs and laws have been enforced and created over the past few decades to stop coral bleaching events. And now, over the past few years, local authorities in Australia have been concerned with increasing bleaching events in coral reefs. Now, the Australian government has been implementing programs to stop farmers from dumping contaminants on coasts, such as very contaminating pesticides, since these have been known to affect severely marine wildlife. However, such programs have not worked since they haven't been enforced enough, and they lack a significant push by the authorities for their implementation, which is sadly the same case as with many different programs and other laws that have been implemented and created in other countries, which have not worked and have not created a significant impact on the conservation of these coral reefs.